This is a 2018 Honda CRV, brand new. What happened is they busted out the keyhole and they opened the door and went in and stole the airbags. I want to talk about this airbag issue. Normally in the 2017 and down, the Honda Accords and the Honda Civics and the Honda CRV used to be two big screws in the side here, which there were, see what this hole is, there were two torque T27 screws. You used to have one in each side. They used to unloosen it, and then the airbag came out and unplugged it. When the 2018 came around, they went into like a smaller little hole without the screw. So I was thinking to myself, okay, Honda took care of that issue, so the airbag theft was stopped. Apparently not. What happened is this clip inside, that when the screwdriver, when you put the tool in, it pushes this clip this way along with this clip, and then it releases the airbag. And then to put the new one in, you just put it in and you just push it in, and then the little ball will just move the clip to the side, and it has a little groove. That way the clip falls into the lock position and the airbag doesn't come out. So apparently, from when I first started doing 2018s, I thought, okay, they took care of that issue. But it didn't take long, which I knew that was going to happen sooner or later, for the airbag theft to start in the 2018. And that's basically it. So with that being said, he didn't have a factory alarm because this car is with the cloth seats. This is the basic model. So I couldn't do a shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm, which is normally what I do to the vehicles that have factory alarm systems. I add the shock sensor to it, so if somebody busts out the keyhole or they break a window, the alarm will fire off. And the kit also does a bypass, so if somebody busts out the keyhole, it does not shut off the factory alarm system. So with that being said, I had to install an aftermarket alarm for the customer for him to have an alarm system. You know, if somebody tries to bust out the keyhole or break the window, the alarm will fire off.